Well, here I am. I made it to Aldi's. I don't know how many new things they're going to have because they have half the aisle with things from last week, probably because of the storm. But anyway, here we have a sport tote. Looks like they have it in a light blue, a taupe color, and black. And that is $19.99. And moving over here, they have toddler or children's character Valentine's Day pullovers. But their size is 2T to small. And they have the different designs on the box here that you can see. They're all the Disney characters. They're $7.99 each. Down below for $14.99 are the ladies' premium bodysuits, size small to extra large. And it says quick drying, moisture control, and breathable. And they are $14.99. And down below, there's a few left. They're in white or black. And they are plush, full zip jackets. And if you can see that one, what it looks like there. Size is small through extra large. Down on the bottom here are different patterns of the Live in Style foldable utility totes. And they are $9.99 each. And they show you on here, how you can fit different things in them. And here they have a few pet things. This is a reversible pet puffer for $9.99. And they have a couple of designs here. Shows you on the box. There's like solids and plaids. And here's a picture of the dogs. So those are $9.99. It looks like they just put out canine couture. Couture. And, well, they're dog toys. And you can see they have shoes, little perfume bottles, little totes. But there's no price, so I don't know how much they are, but they have quite a few here. Here they have for small dogs or cats, they're convertible pet warming mats. Faux fur mat, micro suede mat, I guess it's reversible. They can turn it into a little cave, as you can see on the box. Button and loop design, 2 sleep surfaces, reflects body heat, no power needed, and it is machine washable. And there's no price on that either, so I don't know, maybe with the storm and the bad weather they're short-handed because a lot of these things do not have prices on them. For $3.99 a bag, you can get your choice of toothbrush chews for your dog. And they have, that one says flavored with turmeric, and this one says flavored with parsley and green tea. And they are $3.59 a bag. They are taking care of our furry pets this week. They have natural Alaskan salmon jerky for the dogs for $4.99. And here they have the bully sticks. And they are either small or large you can get, and they're $8.99 a package. They have a few of the Sarah Fitness hair accessories left. You can see what they have there. Some elastic bands and bows and clips, and they're $2.99 each. Down below they have either black or like a matte gold, and they're stackable baskets. I'll show you a little picture here. They have towels on them and soap, etc. And they are hanging stackable bins, and they're $9.99 each. Here they have bag or wrap organizers, and they have them in like a light wood, or they have them in a very dark wood. Looks almost like a walnut. They're $14.99 each, and you can see the different kinds they have on the outside of the box. Here is a kitchen towel holder, and you can see where it goes over a cabinet or a door. And they are, let me see, $4.99 each. Down here for under your cabinet are sliding bakeware organizers. They're $29.99 each. And I'll get a little closer so you could see it. Looks like there's just a few left here. Up here are your choice of different size air fryer liners. And you can see on the box the different shapes they have depending on your air fryer. They have a few different colors, and they are $6.99 each. Here are 9-quart stainless steel stock pots. Obviously they do have a lid on them, and they are $29.99 each. I always thought this would be something nice to have if you're having a party, but I'm at a point now where I'm not throwing too many parties. But this is a good deal for $39.99. It's a triple slow cooker. I'll move on in so you can see it. And you get 3 1.5 quart pots. And like I said, that is $39.99. For your Super Bowl party, or just your football party, whatever, they have a choice of ceramic football tray. You can see they're all, it's a tray with all football shaped bowls on it, or you can get the ceramic tray with the bowls. Shows you on the box. Let me see if I can zoom in on the choices you have here. Those are $9.99 each. It's with the bowls and the tray. Here they have your choice of either sofa covers, and I see a lot of gray, but there is supposed to be having them in like a lighter gray and a tan, or you can also get a love seat or an armchair cover. So the love seat or armchair covers are $14.99 each, and I'll go down here, and the sofa cover is $17.99. Here they have loaded Oreos and cookie dough flavor cream Oreos, and those are $4.85 for the package. Here's some Little Debbie football brownies for $3.16 in case you don't want to bake and you want to put these out for dessert at your football party. Here we have some Millville Decadent granola, and it's salted caramel white chip. That looks pretty good. I wouldn't mind that on a little bit of yogurt. And that's $3.59 a bag. Here are boxes of the Moser Roth Belgian strawberry truffles, dusted in a rich cocoa and deliciously smooth, and they are $3.49 a box. Here's your limited edition Kellogg's Fruit Loops Sweethearts. I can see on the box, I guess, the cereal is in the shape of hearts, and that's $4.47 for the box. Here are bags of Jolly Rancher gummies, And what does it say on them? Awesome Reds. Cherry, fruit punch, strawberry, pomegranate, and watermelon. And they are $2.98 for the bag. Here's your Baker's Corner heart-shaped mini marshmallows. And those are $3.29 for the bag. I haven't seen these before. These are pretzel bites. They're filled pretzels. They're appetizers. And they have the cheddar-filled pretzel bites, or they have the pepper jack ones. And I think I'm going to pick up a couple of the cheddar-filled ones. They're $2.99 for the box. They still have the Bavarian Beast. Feeds 3 to 6 people. This is a giant pretzel. And they even give you the salt, which is included. And it says they are rolled by hand and there's no artificial flavors or preservatives or added sugar. And that is $6.99 for the giant pretzel, the Beast. Here's the big box of Kirkwood Panko chicken breast nuggets. And it says they're made with crunchy panko breading. And they're all white meat, and there's 11 grams of protein. They are fully cooked. So it says you can microwave them. And they are, let me see, $9.99 a box. It looks like they just got in those crustless peanut butter and strawberry jam little sandwiches. It says there's 4 sandwiches in the box, and they're crustless. And they are $3.35 for the box. Here are hyacinth in a glass vase, and they have them in purple and pink, and they're $4.99. I walked over here because I could smell them halfway down the aisle. Oh, they smell so good. And here they have tulips planted in these glass containers, and then they're in wicker. And it looks like they have red and yellow, and they have the purple, and I see pink back there, and they are $8.99 each. I did the best I could to bring you ALDI finds this week, in spite of that major storm we had. We had about 1.5 feet of snow here, and then of course all the ice on top of it. It doesn't look like it's going to melt anytime soon. Aldi's didn't have quite as much in their finds aisle as they usually do, because they still have some Valentine's Day stuff left in there. So I'm going to stay warm, stay indoors, warm up. Just going out to Aldi's for a few minutes, I was freezing. But anyway, yeah, they did have some nice things there. And I thought it was a little early for the hyacinth and the tulips, but they were really nice. And honestly, I could smell those hyacinth halfway down the aisle. Oh, I just love that scent. So anyway, everybody stay safe this weekend. They're saying maybe we're going to get another storm on the weekend, but it's not definite yet. I'm in New Jersey. So I'm getting ready for the Super Bowl. I'm not really that into sports, but when you live in a house where other people are, you participate. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. And love you all. Appreciate each and every one of you. And I will see you again soon. Toodles!